Friends, how are you? I hope all are good, right? Today I am going to discuss this SBI Clerk 2020 memory based GA questions, guys. Before you start preparation for SBI Clerk mains, guys, actually previously which areas SBI has covered, that area you should be know, guys. So today we go for session, right? Okay. Yes. You see, guys, here the currency. First question is the currency of South Korea. What is the currency of South Korea? Won. And how many deputy governors are there in RBI? How many deputy governors, guys? Four deputy governors. And who is the CEO of Tesla Inc? Who is the CEO of Island Tech, guys? Elon Musk. And he is also richest person, in India. Mudra is a subsidiary of which bank, guys? Mudra is a SIDBI. What was the retail inflation September 2020? How much retail inflation, guys? September 2020, 34%. And Indian Post Payment Bank was established in which year? 1st September 2018. Okay. Next, which bank has partner NSDC to train rural youth? Which bank, guys? Airtel Payment Bank. And according to the Uran India rich list, who is the third richest person? Who is, guys? Shiva? No other. Okay. Another question, guys. Who is the Autism Awareness Day observed? 2nd April. Okay. Go for second slide. World Autism Awareness Day observed on 2nd April. Okay. On 8th October, Indian Air Force celebrated its anniversary, 80th anniversary. Which anniversary? 80th anniversary. Said Oriental Bank of Commerce merged with which bank, guys? Punjab National Bank. Okay. Who has authored the book title 10 Rules of Successful Nation? Which, guys? Rushit Sharma. What is the stake of State Bank of India in the Geo Payment Bank? How much, guys? 30%. In State Bank of India, Axis Bank share is also there. S Bank, sorry, S Bank share is there. What is the S Bank share? 49% there in State Bank of India. Which bank has launched a new entry level credit card named AAC credit card with a focus on increasing participation of users in the digital economy partnership with Google Pay? Which, guys? Axis Bank. Which is the implementing agency of the Atal Pension Yojana pension fund? Answer is Function Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, guys. Okay. Next question. Who has been appointed as the chairman of Telecom Regulatory Authority? Okay. PD Vaguwala. The Serum Institute of India has signed an agreement with UNICEF Gavi to supply phenomenal conjugate to vaccine to low-income countries. Where is SI located? Pune. Rajat Bhatia associated with which is sports who announced his retirement from sports cricket. On death anniversary of Mother Teresa, which day is observed across the globe? International Day of Charity. Which insurance company has launched a first of its kind insurance product called Shagun Gift and Insurance, which is a unique gift of personal accident insurance? SBI General Insurance. Okay. Next, which of the following bank has launched a Home Utsav, a virtual property exhibition that digitally showcase real estate projects by renowned developers from key cities across the country? Answer is Axis Bank. Which of the following bank has launched a Shaurya KGC Kisan Gold Credit Card for the armed forces? Answer is HDFC. Harley Davidson to the shut down its manufacturing plant in India, Gurgaon, Haryana. As per the framework for authorization of Pan India umbrella entity for retail payment related by RBI, that should be a minimum paid up criteria of umbrella entity 500 crores. Where is the headquarters of Federal Bank? Kochi. Next question. Where is the headquarters of UN Development Program? New York. India has ranked dash position on the Global Economic Forum Index. 105. PKKQM scheme, Kusum scheme aims to add solar and other renewables capacity of 25,035 megawatt by 2022. Where is the current Prime Minister of Japan? Yoshihide Suga. Okay. And Mission Karma Yogi, which has recently in news, is related to civil service reforms. Answer, guys. Civil reforms. Okay. Next, the central government process what percent of stake in the Reserve Bank? 50%. Indian Power Generation Company JSW Energy reportedly plans to make a 1.2 billion investment in two wind plants in which state? Karnataka. Next guy, the Central Board of Secondary Education has partnered with which media platform to launch a free and comprehensive training program to teachers, students, and it developed schools in first phase. Answer is what is guy? Facebook. Which public sector bank has launched a InstaClick savings account, 100% of paperless digital self-assisted inline savings account? Answer is Bank of Baroda. Okay. Next, which is the only Indian company in the top 100 and Fortune 500 list of Reliance? Okay. Which maker Titan company has partnered with which bank to launch India first contactless payment vastness named Titan Pay? State Bank of India. 2+2 ministerial is the highest level institutional mechanism between the two countries participated by the two ministers from each country, which means defense and foreign ministry. Okay, and then with the expenditure minus total receipt excluding borrowing is called fiscal deficit. Which company has made maximum number of white label ATMs? Tata Communications Payment Solutions. Where the central government collaboration with which bank has decided to convert the areas of revenues in the region of Govardhan Chambal belt of Madhya Pradesh into a cultivable land. World Bank. Which of the following has been ranked the India's most valuable brand in the 2020 brand top 50 most valuable Indian banks ranked by WP and Kantar? Answer is SBI. This is a session, guys. This is previously asked SBI clerk two shifts questions, guys. If you like the section, miss, please subscribe my channel and share it. And for more updates, please subscribe my channel. Thank you and Jai Hind.